Hello, my great people. Today we want just talk about Manda Kemi. Na picture na dey see so. This woman, me to say the woman a journalist. According to her, say she a journalist and a advocate and many things. For me, she not see anything journalist for her body at all. And secondly, if not to blog, because if not to blog the video and fiance Ishoma, hey, this woman, she no dey carry last o at all. Na she be shy pion. She go come out wetin dey do o, wetin dey no do. This woman go analyze everything. Na so she even talk that day say she wan even bring Ishoma kpe come out say if Ishoma no take time and Ishoma dey use indirect take dey talk to her and she no be Ishoma age and even Davido as well. Their in children senior dem this and that she, many things wey she come dey talk. All those kind thing, all those na so dem dey talk say some blogger dem dey blog nonsense and she na one of them, my people. Why I talk like that, I will tell una the reason. She na one of them because this woman wetin she write put for her Twitter, my people. She write say you are a criminal if you are 18 to 25 years and protesting against us. Una know say my people many days now say celebrity no celebrity many people come out to end SARS and police brutality because this police brutality e don tey wey e dey Naija. And secondly, if all those people do anything, they no dey face the judgment and the government or the president go just say we will work towards it. That is just the end. You no go see dem say they arrest dem or they remove their uniform, nothing. Now na the citizens of Nigeria dey come and say all those things is getting too much. Na this woman come say if you be 18 to 25 years, say if you come and come protest against make the answer, say na lie o. E say all those people they be criminal as well. Let me read. The journalist took to our social media to describe those youths protesting against us as criminal. Kemi has tagged the youth on social media, joining the hashtag Ensana as criminal and armed robbery. Mother Kemi, the 18 to 25 years old wey come protest, na the right thing as a citizen na make all those people come out. Because the way the police the way they go on with especially the youth, if all of them go today, who wan come be the president of tomorrow? Because they always because who wan come be the president of tomorrow if the police just because the way police dey do my people for that Naija, we all know say they are not just doing well. I know say they no dey do am well because I know na this woman wait my people. Na this woman come and say all those 18 to 25 years old, if they come out come protest, na be say dem be criminal as well. For me my people, me I no take all those youth as a criminal because many of them dey university while some of them they dey where they for dey learn work, sewing or hairdressing or whatever, trading or all those petty something. Na this woman describe all those people as a criminal and armed robbery. Me I no describe all those people because the youth they are the future of tomorrow. If they no come out now come talk come take their rights, who wan come out? Na people wey don old wey maybe like our great grandmother na they wan come out? No, but na the youth wey come out na they do the right thing for them to take the born step. They do the right, even the celebrity and non-celebrity, all of them come out since how many days. Na this woman come out, the youth wey volunteer to even to come out, na this woman come describe all those people say they be armed robbery. For me I not see all those people as armed robbery. They are just doing the right thing as a citizen wey citizens supposed to do. Wey citizens supposed to do na the people do my people. And I will still read something for una. But this lady, I remember some weeks ago, sorry guys, some weeks ago, she come out. He say make Ishoma and Davido. He say make they take time. Oh, he say because Ishoma dey use indirect dey talk to am. Ishoma and Davido, their in children serious dem this and that and that. She talk many things. All those things wey no good na this woman dey already put in hand. Okay, see the thing wey suppose to do now as a Nigeria citizen, because she dey claim say she na, I don't know whether na America dey for born am. She dey say na America na she for go school, na she for do all those. She wey dey claim say na America she for even go school. People wey even dey America wey be journalists, they no even dey behave, dey talk as she even dey talk say she wan bring Ishoma Kpekus come and say she get the tape. Wey you know say you are a journalist, you know the law, say all those kind things, to even threaten person say you get your Kpekus or cassava something, you wan bring am come out, say against the law, you call yourself as a journalist. Well, I no just know why the way some people just dey talk. Na she come, you know say as she talk that kind thing, my people, I know wetin my Naija people they will fit do. Na they blast her out with comments. That one, me I sure. Now she come write put for her Twitter again. He said to everyone saying I should help them 5 stars. I say no. Nobody needs my voice in Nigeria. I already did that at Port Harcourt Federal Court House at Port Harcourt. You see? And you call yourself you are a journalist. This is the, if you are, according to you, say you are a journalist, this is the time to come out and also help the citizens. Say, yes, so wetin dey go on since all these years for Nigeria, this is the time to put an end to it. I remember some years ago wey Buhari, you know, last year, last year, wey Buhari say the youth are lazy. I know how many Nigeria we had to that words wey she talk. No talk you now. See wetin you dey talk. You say you are the one of the biggest journalists wey dey that Nigeria. The way you just talk with your speech, me I don't believe that you are even a journalist sef, because journalists not supposed to talk that kind of thing. Say if you are 18 to 15 years and if you come out to protest against EndSARS and end police brutality, that means say you are armed robbery and a criminal. All those people, me I don't look them as a criminal or armed robbery, because many of them dey school, while many of them still dey like they dey learn work. Some even dey where for the so many fashion and design, hairdresser, petty trader, like the one wey no still go school, they still go learn work. They do all one thing or the other to earn their living. Na this lady come is, for me, that words wey she use on all those people, I look at as an insult. Na be all those intimidate. I no just know why everything that Naija they just dey like to intimidate person. Even all those big celebrity, they even come out to say yes, this is the time for us to put our hands. Now you can't go there. Now not be say you even go there. Oh, you no go there. Your leg not reach here. Your leg not reach there at all. Now you can't say they be criminal. For me, I don't see them as a criminal. Well, my people, what do you think? What do you think about this video? Leave your comment, because this lady, now so sometimes the way she dey talk, I don't even know whether na because of the prison where she go for Port Harcourt, now they make her they go gaga. I not just know. Sometimes her words no they go line. Now so Benny. There's no thing. This is why I know this ladies. I never see any good thing where this lady don't blog. Now those now so they already talk say all those bloggers, many of them they know they blog better thing. Now those the one way not there online, now they blog. The one way no good, where person don't even put for inside dustbin, they'll go collect her. Now be waiting should they do so. Well, my people, let me leave you guys. Thank you so much. What do you think about this video? Don't fail, leave your comment in the comment section.